daughter's bedroom, I'm using the John Lewis stackable racks, and then I'm using a 4-tier cubby system, all in white to go with her bedroom. Starting with the stackable racks, because that's the first part of organizing that section of her bedroom. Let me help with this side there. I think I'm the one about labels, right side up and label front and forward. Okay, so I'm going to do the shelf. You put the little wooden piece in the middle one, and then you'll have this one lines out facing you on it. You'll understand when you buy it. That's the line facing out. It has a little hole in the middle, us, and my Allen wrench. Voila. And if you're like me and you got the box out of the way so you could put it together and you wanted to get it out before the recycling truck came, and you left the instructions in there, they've got instructions online underneath the product, description, specs, all that good stuff. That way you don't have to keep paper. Win-win.